Have you ever been in a situation when you wrote something and then nobody reads it? If people can't find your content, it most likely doesn't rank well. One of the main reasons why content underperforms on Google is because there is a mismatch between your target keywords and the search intent. In this video, we'll talk about search intent, something that can help you understand what people want and how to speak to them. The search intent is the why behind the search query. For example, a person who searches for email marketing courses has a different intent than a person who searches for email marketing agency. These searches revolve around the same topic, email marketing, but the intents are completely different. The person who is searching for email marketing courses wants to learn email marketing, and the person who is searching for email marketing agency wants to buy email marketing services. If you want to target a certain keyword, but the information you provide doesn't match your reader's search intent, then people will find your content irrelevant. Putting relevant content in front of people is Google's main goal. That's why search intent is one of the most important ranking factors. Understanding search intent allows you to give people what they want and rank well on Google. There are 4 types of search intents that search engines recognize: informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial. Informational intent. A reader is searching for information. Examples of search queries: what is machine learning? How to watch Star Wars? E-commerce trends. Navigational intent. A reader is searching for a specific website. Examples of search queries: Courbet Wiki, from reads to leads, Instagram help. Commercial intent. A reader is ready to make a purchase and they are looking for the best solution. Examples of search queries: G Suite versus Office 365, MailChimp reviews, best SaaS marketing agencies. Transactional intent. A reader wants to buy. Examples of search queries: buy iPhone 12, IKEA Eket, hire web developer. To make sure your content aligns with your reader's search intent, you need to analyze the search results for each term you want to rank for. By looking at the first page of Google, you can define what type of content you should create. For example, it can be a blog post, a landing page, or a video, and what form your content should take. You can write a comparison blog post, listicle, a how-to guide. For example, let's say we need to create content that targets the keyword phrase email marketing automation. What type of content should we create? Let's check out the top ranking pages for this term in more detail. Most of the pages that rank for the term email marketing automation focus on describing what this term means. When you're doing your research, also make sure you check out the people also ask box. It lists the questions that searchers also ask. For example, for our search query, people also ask the following questions: how do I create an automated email marketing? What is the difference between email marketing and marketing automation? How do you automate email? How does email marketing relate to marketing automation? You may want to provide answers to these questions in your content. You can also visit the top ranking pages to see what information they provide and collect insights you can use in your own content. If we check out the top ranking pages for the term email marketing automation, we can notice that these articles include benefits, examples, and tips on how to get started with automated email marketing. We can make a conclusion that this information is important for users searching for this term. When you are trying to pick out keywords to target with your content, make sure that the search intent is clear. For example, a keyword phrase digital transformation has an unclear search intent. Let's type it into the search box. It looks like Google has no idea what people are looking for. If Google isn't sure what people want to see when they Google digital transformation, you most likely aren't either. The takeaway: this isn't a good keyword to target. If you have keywords like this in your content plan, revise your SEO strategy. You want to target keywords with a clear search intent. So there you have it. To rank well on Google, you need to focus on what content people need in the format they want and not on what you want to write. Before you write a single word, understand your reader's search intent and define what your content should talk about. Always review the top ranking pages for the keyword you want to rank for. To improve your understanding of SEO, check out my video How to Optimize Your Content for Search. I'll see you next time with a new video. Thank you for watching. Я Катерина. Пока-пока.